Good day to all. Welcome to Bookshelf, Innovative Authors International Forum. Today, bringing back musings and a good news for you all, planning to give interpretation and analysis of all the poems from the book Musings. From the first book of International Poetry Anthology, Musings, powered by Innovative Authors International Forum. The book is having, as I told before, poems from 54 global poets, and I am picking the first poem penned by Honorable Poet Anne Marie, the poem titled Captive of Love. Captive of Love. The title itself is very famous, as there is a famous movie in that title, Captive of Love, and there are many books in that same title. That doesn't matter. Even Anne Marie's poetry is an innovative thought. Congratulations. I wish to highlight that in a way or other, we all are like captives of either war or love, or made captives by our own loneliness or environmental disabilities. It's like our own paddy or wheat flora grows over the fences or the boundaries, and swallows rise from our own broken chains. We are all captives of what we love in life, what we desire or long for, and finally we are captives. From the day we are born till the day we leave this planet Earth. In a way or other, we all are captives, and unfortunately it was paradise, and fortunately we are living in this paradise, and one day we have to go from this paradise. This is a thought from Mahmoud Darwish, who was a respected, reputed Palestinian poet who had won many international awards for writing poetry, and Mahmoud Darwish is considered as the Palestinians' national poet. So I was just trying to give little light on the title of the poem, but coming back to the analysis of Anne Marie's poem Captive of Love, the poem goes like this. I am a prisoner of war of adamant love, a war fought, won and lost, which made me a forever captive of incessant wails, sibilant whispers and unfathomable sighs. Those dark days and frozen nights, trudging through the unsafe ridges, where buds of sombre silence bloomed into bitter smiles, wild perspectives stirred inside, reckless rages roared outside, causing ferocious looks, untamed wraths, and rebellion in tribulations. The poem goes like that. All what left is hollow hurt, waiting to be led to the gallows, and no more dreams. It's not a lengthy poem, it's a very short poem penned by Anne Mary, and the poem highlights the desires of life coupled with a lot of agonies and tremors of life which we encounter on daily basis. The Musings, International Anthology of English Poems, consists of 110 poems penned by 54 global poets, and it's one of my dream that I should give some explanation or interpretations after reading few lines or selected lines from the selected poems, or almost all poems I would say. She had written other poems like Song of Love, Winter Rains. That's it, 3 poems were contributed by Honorable Poet Anne Mary, and I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations and blessings to Honorable Poet Anne Mary. When we say captives of love, I would rather broaden it. It's captives of life. We are born here on this earth unknowingly. Okay, maybe it's known to one person, or it is known to parents only, as we consider the parents are our own gods on this earth. So without our own knowledge, we emerge, we come into this planet, and we spend our time, we enjoy the time with all agonies and happiness or bliss, whatever it may be, during COVID time or even other than. We survive in this life, and we come up with a lot of solutions, and we won. We always win for the success in life and go back to another world. So, in a way or other, I am happy to say a few words about this poetry, Captives of Love from Anne Mary, and hopefully I will continue this in taking this book from bookshelf. One by one I will be reciting, or I will be narrating the details of the content of the poem. Nice to meet you all, and thank you for listening to my short talk. Innovative Authors International Forum, the bookshelf, signing off, Williams de Maveli. Thanks a lot. Love to all, good to all. Bye.